Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that can benefit people of all ages and fitness levels. We're going to talk about how to make your body flexible. Flexibility plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being, so let's dive right in and learn some amazing techniques to improve our flexibility. Before we begin, it's important to warm up your body. A warm-up routine can help increase blood flow and prepare your muscles for stretching. You can start with light cardio exercises like jumping jacks or jogging in place for about 5 minutes. The first technique we'll explore is static stretching. Static stretching involves holding a stretch for an extended period, typically around 30 seconds. This helps lengthen the muscles and improve their flexibility. Let's start with some simple static stretches for different muscle groups. Remember to listen to your body and never push yourself too hard. Stretch until you feel a gentle pull or mild discomfort, but not pain. And always breathe deeply and exhale as you deepen the stretch. Now let's move on to dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretches involve continuous movement that mimics the actions of the activity you're about to perform. It helps improve your range of motion and prepares your muscles for more intense exercises. Dynamic stretching is great for warming up before a workout or any physical activity. It helps activate your muscles and increases your body's overall flexibility. Speaking of flexibility, yoga is an excellent practice that can enhance your body's flexibility and promote relaxation. Let's explore a few yoga poses that target different muscle groups and improve overall flexibility. Yoga not only improves flexibility but also increases strength, balance, and body awareness. It's a wonderful practice for anyone looking to enhance their overall well-being. Lastly, incorporating regular strength training exercises into your routine can also aid in improving flexibility. Building strength in the muscles surrounding your joints allows for a wider range of motion. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these exercises regularly, aiming for at least 3 sessions per week. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your flexibility and overall physical performance. That's it for today's video on how to make your body flexible. We hope you enjoyed it and found these techniques helpful. Remember to always listen to your body and progress at your own pace. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay flexible and stay healthy.